All right, man. So I'm back. Sun's still up, so I got some daylight. But yeah, wanted to talk to you people about some of the things I do to make money. Yesterday I made a video. I don't even think it's well, the last video, which was the live video, I don't even think it's uploaded yet. But hopefully it is. I talked about I was doing Postmates, which I'm still doing right now. Um, I actually signed up for this other gig. I already got accepted. I just got to go for orientation and this thing called happy hour. You got to go meet the people. They teach you a little bit about what the situation is. But that job is pretty good. I think the lowest pay I would obtain from doing that other job is, I think it was like $28 an hour. So that's not bad. So if I do ever do get a job from them, I know I'll be getting a good hourly wage. I got gigs on there that runs up to like $45 an hour and whatnot. So it's pretty good. But later on when I start doing that one, I'll share more information about it. I haven't done any yet. It's brand new. A lot of people should try and get on it. It's called Job. I don't have any of my referral links on here yet. Soon, I will get to all of that. And I actually signed up for this other delivery app that actually pays a lot better than what I'm doing now, Postmates. It's called Caviar. They usually have a lot of bonuses, like what do you call it, incentives for you to come sign on. Like if you do a certain amount of orders in an hour, they might give you extra $25, extra $50. It depends. But then I have these other apps I do, like I'm actually trying to be a full-time trader, and I actually trade on three different markets: the stock market, American stock market, or the New York City stock market, and I actually trade on Coinbase, which is cryptocurrency. Which I don't like trading in that one too much. I would actually, I'm actually gonna open another account with a different, I shouldn't say company, but like a different online platform, which is, it's not an American platform, it's a different platform, so it's kind of iffy. So I have to explain it to you all a little bit later on, and then I actually do forex, foreign exchange market, which I joined a company which I pay them every month because then I do gain knowledge because they have like um like an educational series, like they teach you everything about the foreign exchange market, how to read the charts and whatnot. Yeah, so and it's called iMarkets Live, IML. I'll add the link to my referral code in the description and later videos as well, but not right now. Later will be greater, man. But for now, I'll just talk about certain things you need to know if you're interested in trading, because I'm brand new to trading too. But I started off with the stock market, and then I branched out to cryptocurrency because I had a friend who's I'm gonna have my friend come on here a few times to explain the cryptocurrencies to you guys, because he actually is the mastermind behind me joining this cryptocurrency market and investing in it. He understands it a lot better than me. I can tell you what Bitcoin is. I can tell you why I invest in Bitcoin, but I can't break it down to you like the schematics. He can. Like he broke it down to me many a times, but I just don't understand it yet. It's gonna take a while for me to understand this thing because I'm not really tech savvy. I'm just starting to become tech savvy. So I'll get it in the long run. And then you have the foreign exchange, but the thing with all of them is they all kind of have the same charts. You read the charts the exact same way. They have the same type of rules. Um, you have like resistance and support on each chart. You like the same tools, candlesticks, lines, 30-day moving average. 20-day and 50-day moving averages. Like these are things you gotta not really. Well, you got to understand them. After a while, it will become like normal. Like after you start hearing these things over and over and over and over, you know, it becomes normal to you. Um, Luckily, I started with the stock market, so I was kind of familiar with the charts, reading the charts and all that before I actually joined um, the cryptocurrency market and the forex market. So when I got into those two markets, it was like I actually hit the ground running. You know, like I already had an idea how to read the charts. I already had an idea what candlesticks were and how to read the candlesticks. You know, how to find support, how to find a trend. You know, I already had an idea how to do a lot of those things, so I kind of jumped in there and I hit the ground running and what's not. You know, so like with the foreign exchange, I'm already making money off of that because, like as I said, I hit the ground running on there. So it's kind of like I came out swinging, you know. So I was making trades and I was making money, but the iMarkets Live thing, they actually have traders that actually trade for you too. That's why you end up paying for the service. And I was with this one trader he was just losing a lot of money, man. Like up to this weekend, I was losing. I was down like $60, and he didn't make any trades from I think on Thursday, or maybe from Wednesday. You know, he made some dumb trades this week though, man. He put me in a hole. Like this week, that's when he lost that $60. But I think he stopped trading on Wednesday night, you know. And what happened is this other one called Swipe Trades, you know. And this one is I like Swipe Trades because I usually make money off of them too. You know, so Swipe Trades came out and they put out a few pairs, like trades. You call the pairs are like whatever currencies being sold or being bought with another currency. Like you have British pound, you're using British pound to buy New Zealand dollar or something like that, or you're using British, like something like that. You're just exchanging those two pairs, you know. So on Wednesday night, I made like two trades on my own, and I made like $20, you know, from swipe trades, because I didn't do exactly what the swipe trades told me to do, like, because I actually seen I seen my own pattern, and that's the good thing about it. Like you can actually use these traders and make trades off of them. So what I did with the swipe trades, I put in exactly what the master trader wanted me to, but then I had actually seen a pattern myself. So I added another trade to it, and I increased my lot size. Lot sizes you'll learn about on my channel too. So I increased my lot size, so I had a bigger lot size, and the master trader wanted me to do free trades. So I do those free trades. Then I did another trade on my own with a bigger lot size and a lower buy-in and a higher take profit. You know, so with my trade, you know, those free trades I probably made 20, like $15. Then with my trade I made like $16 in one trade. Free trades I made $15. So that was like $30. And then I joined the other person that I signed up under in iMarkets Live. They invited me to this group thing they do for the British pound trade. And that was like at 3, 4 in the morning. And it was like online, and I joined in, and the same thing. The dude found a pattern, and he bought in at a certain price. But then, like, just looking at what he found, I saw a different pattern myself, you know. And the only risky part of how I see it, like, I could have got left out because he said to buy in at a certain spot, and I bought in a few pips lower than that, you know, a good amount of pips lower than that, because I seen that it was going to pull back that far. It was going to pull back further than he said it was. But he was saying that it was going to run all the way up, but I felt like it wasn't going to run. I felt like it was going to come back, and it did come back, and I got it in a way lower price than everybody else. So when it came time to take in the profit, but I messed up because I put his take profit in, and I know it would have went. I know it would have went higher than his take profit, you know. So I should have went up another like 5 to 10 pips, and I didn't, and I fell asleep, and I woke up, and it actually hit the exact point that I was looking at and came back. So I would have still got to take profit, but I would have made more money, you know. So Long story short is, like, because of this one guy, I actually changed that trader and I chose another master trader. Because of this one guy, I lost a lot of money, but because of me and swipe trades, and there's this other one called FX Signal, I made money back, and I was pretty, so I was pretty stoked. I was pretty proud of myself for making like 3 really good trades that I made really good money off of. So I went from, it actually took me from losing to profiting, So I made that $60 back, and an extra like 15 on top of it. For now, an extra 15 because I still have trades that are pending, and the market opened on Sunday. So I don't know. I might hop out. I gotta look at it probably tonight or tomorrow, and I would know if I should be looking for the market to go up or go down. If I'm looking for it to go down, then I'll just close them out and take the extra $15. If I think they're gonna go up, then no, I'll just ride it out and see how far up it goes. Cause then I got like 4 trades open still. If I can make $10 off of each trade, what you do, you add 25 to the 15, so I'll be making $40, and then I'll probably have more trades to make during the week, But when you compare all three, this is what I actually made this video to talk about, man. Comparing all 3 of these markets, I would think the most fun and most profitable one that I'm thinking it's the foreign exchange market, because you can make money both ways. You can make money in an uptrend or you can make money in a downtrend. With the stock market, you can actually make money both ways, but it's not like what you do in it's not like the foreign exchange market. With the stock market, if you have a stock and it's like $100 right now, the only way you can make money is if you sell at 100 and then it falls and then you buy back in at like $90, $80 and then it goes back up. So you're not really making money, you just rebuying. And that's the same thing with cryptocurrency. You can't really make money in downtrends and uptrends. You could gain position when it comes to cryptocurrency. You could gain position, and in the stock market, you could gain position like you're buying at a lower price than you actually had before. If you sell at a higher price and then buy it at a lower price, you gain position. When I say gain position, it's like, say you buy one Bitcoin for $2,000, and then it falls down to $1,000, and you sold at $2,000. You take that $2,000 and you buy Bitcoin again. You're gonna go from having 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin. So you gain position. You know what I mean? You have an extra Bitcoin. You have an extra one, so that's you gaining another Bitcoin, but it's still worth the same 2,000. But if it goes back up, if the worth of Bitcoin goes back up to 2,000, now you have $4,000. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm just downtown Manhattan, man. I just wanted to talk a little bit. Kind of bored. Flight 23, Jordan store, charging my phone and this thing right here. I just wanna start making videos, man. Start pushing some content out there. It's not edited. It's live, and I wanted to have people get to know me a little bit, get to know what I do, and see if you all might be interested in going through with it, man. Just follow my channel and you can learn from me making my mistakes. Because that's what I did. I learned from a lot of other people making their mistakes. I follow a lot of other channels on YouTube. I don't even watch TV anymore. I think I'm going to have to start watching TV for the news, though. I need this business news so I can make moves and make money and what's not, So this is what it is, man. It's what it is. It's all about making your own money and having your own money making money, So that's what it is, man. Tune in. Keep on tuning in. Keep on looking out. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And then hit that little bell thing on the side so when I do put out videos, I'm doing a live video, you get an alert and you can tune in. Like if I was doing a live video right now, and I had subscribers, then you all could have been asking me questions, and I could have been answering as much as I can. So that's what it is, man. Peace out. Back to work. Try to make this money.